Let's see. So before I have given what is called an ionization potential given. What about ionization potentials given? Okay. So what about ionization potential in groups, in periods, everything given? So in that case, generally based on ionization potential values, based on ionization potential values, we find out valency electrons also. Valency electrons. Okay, how to find out valency? So based on that valency, we can say the formula of the compound also. So for example, ionization potential can be used to find out the number of valency electrons. If you can take alkali metals. Alkali metals. What are alkali metals? First A group. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, these are. If I have taken N, it is a first A group of elements. So its atomic number 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now here, if you can take the IP1. So IP1 means the removal of one electron from outermost orbital. Valence electron, 3s1 electron that is removing is called IP1. After that, after removing this electron, remaining series L shell. Valency shell contains 8 electrons. So valency shell having 8 electrons means it is highly stable. Highly stable. Inert gas electronic configuration, noble gas electronic configuration. According to octet rule, it is more and more stable. Because of that reason, so in this case, the electron removing required large amount of energy. It is very higher than those of IP2. Generally, IP1 is less than IP2, that is common thing. But here, if it is very high, the sudden jumping, IP values are sudden jumping. So not normal. Like that, if you can take alkaline earth metals. For example, if you can take secondary group of elements, magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. Its electronic configurations 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. It is a K shell, L shell, M shell. Okay, here IP1 means the removal of one electron. So from magnesium, the removal of one electron means here remaining 3s1 is present. So after that, the removal of second electron, that is called IP2. So here IP1 is less than IP2, but the variation not much that. Small variations are present, but here very high. After removing second electron, see, after removing second electron, the magnesium getting stable electronic configuration. See this, L shell having 8 electrons. 8 electrons mean it is highly stable, highly stable. Because of that reason here the electron removing is very difficult. So IP3, if the removal of third electron, it is highly difficult. Highly difficult means what about that? That is very high ionization potentials are observed. The sudden jumpings are observed. See this. We can take third year group of elements where we are observed sudden jumping. Aluminum. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Say that IP1 is less than IP2. After that, IP2 is less than IP3. After removing 3 electrons, see this
IP4.
is a KL. IP4. Here we are observed. So the sudden jumps. What about that? Very high. The fourth electron removing is here difficult due to so stable electronic configuration. Here it is observed very high IP4 value and so on. For example, they are given one question. See. So the successive ionization enthalpy, ionization potential, ionization energy, everything same. The successive ionization enthalpy of an element M. Successive, they are given 5.98. It is a IP1 and 18.82. It is a IP2. After that, 28.44. This is a IP3. After that, 119.96. It is a IP4. After that, 153.77, IP5. So electron volt per atom. These are the ionization potential values. What is the formula of chloride of M? It is a M. M combined with the chlorine. Which formula is suitable here? So which formula is suitable means, so what is the formula of metal chloride means, what is the valency of metal? If the metal valency 1 chlorine required. Metal valency 2, 2 chlorines are required. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Metal valency 3 chlorines are required. So here how to know valency? First of all, valency. It is a which group? How to know? So it is which state it is stable, that is required. +1 state stable, +2 state stable, +3 stable, +4 stable. Which is stable? Anyone? Guess that?
+3.
Very good. How to know that? See, it is a IP1 is commonly less than that of IP2. If you observe the difference here, generally small IP1 to IP2. Okay, difference is there somewhat small only. Okay, approximately 12 difference. After that, it is also same like that only. 12 only, IP3. 18.8 to 28. 10 difference is there. Okay, but here see 28 to 119. 28 to 119. Here sudden jumping is there. 28 to 119, 120. So here, what is the meaning of that? The fourth electron removing is very difficult. Fourth electron removing is very difficult means after removing 3 electrons, the element getting stable electronic configuration. So here M plus 3 is state. M plus 3 state is stable. M plus 3 state is stable. And valency is, what about that? 3. So therefore, formula of chloride M is MCl3 because +3 valency 3 into -1 -3. Otherwise, for simple example, if we can take aluminum 30. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Same this example like that only. IP1, the removal of 1 electron. IP2, next electron. IP3. Okay, IP3 means first I have removed 3 electrons. See this? After removing 3 electrons, it is getting stable electronic configuration. 2s2, 2p6. It is a octet electronic configuration. Octet, 8 electrons, more stable. Here the electron removing is highly difficult. So here IP4 value is abnormally high. That's why they are given 119.96. Sudden jumpings are there. IP3 to IP4. So the element look like aluminum. M is look like aluminum. If the aluminum combined with the chlorine, so aluminum which state is more stable, +3 charge. How many chlorines are required? 3 chlorines. So each chlorine -1, 3 into -1 -3 +3. This is the formula AlCl3 indirectly. MCl3. Okay, understood that? Now say for tomorrow's test we practice some problems. So periodic classification. First level 2 classwork. See, level 2 classwork. Periodic table में level 2 classwork first. Okay, see level 2 classwork. Okay, now level 2 classwork. Here difficulty questions. See. So question number 14. If you read out, also let's on that question also. 14. In the isoelectronic species of ionic radius of n-3 and O-2 F- is respectively. What is the ionic radius? First option 1 they are given 1.36, 1.40, 1.71. Option 2 they are given 1.36, 1.71, then 1.40. Option
1.71, 1.40, 1.36.
1.71, 1.40 followed by 1.36. Okay, then 1.71, 1.36, then 1.40. Okay, आपके पास periodic table material है तो material एक बार देख लो. Periodic table में level 2 में class 1 14th problem.
Option 3 is correct.
Very good. See how to say that? Very simple. These all are isoelectronic species. Here 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons. Isoelectronic species, same number of electrons. Okay, what is the ionic radius? So here electrons are same, but protons difference is there. If you have any confusion, otherwise I have given anionic charge increase, radius also increase. Anion, negative charge increase, radius increase. -1, -2, -3. Negative charge increase, radius increase. That is shortcut. Otherwise, so here nitrogen, how many protons? 7 protons. Because protons are equal to atomic number. Here 8 protons. Here 9 protons. Electrons are same. Protons difference is there. Protons means nuclear charge, nuclear attraction. So more protons, more attraction. Atoms come close to each other. Less protons, less attraction. Nuclear attraction less means atomic size more. Nuclear attraction more means atomic size less. Otherwise, protons less, size more, radius more. Protons less, radius more. Ionic radius 7 protons, more radius. So we want the order, radius order like this. So where it is given, first highest, second highest, third highest. That is given fourth option.
The third option.
Very good. That is only 1.71, 1.40, 1.3. First highest N-3. Next highest O-2. Next highest F-. elements. That is one thing. Okay. Next one more. 17th question. See. So here the atomic radius of two elements X and Y. They are given atomic radius. So it is 0.72 angstroms. So it is 1.6 angstroms given atomic radius. So what are the X and Y elements? Okay, first
Fluorine and neon.
F and Ne, fluorine and neon, neon and fluorine, second thing, lithium and beryllium, and Fe and Fe plus 2 ion. Now listen. So X atomic radius less and Y atomic radius more. That is the meaning. X atomic radius and Y atomic radius. Here, generally, so first lowest highest means fluorine is a 70A group of element. It is a 80A group of element. Neon 80A group. It is a 70A group. It is a first A. It is a second year, right? See this. So here size, it is a ion. So it is the big size, it is the small size of that. We know that. So electrons less, protons more, size small. So not this one. So here out of that, see, I have given one thing. First to in period, if we move left to right, generally 1A2 up to 70A. Atomic radius decrease. 1A to 70A decrease. 70A to 80A somewhat increase. Again increase. So here it is the highest, it is the low. 1A to 2A decrease. Okay, here 80A, 70A. What about that? So 80A more and 70A less. 70A, what about that? Less, but 80A somewhat more, which is correct? Option 1. Why? Because it is a 70A group of element fluorine. Fluorine 70A. First 1A to 70 atomic radius decrease, but 70A to 80A increase due to stable electronic configuration. That's why they are given lowest to highest means which group elements? 70A and 80A. Option 1 is the correct. Understood that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Period में 1A to 70A atomic radius decrease, but 70A to 80A increase. That point. And 19th question. See. 19th question. So they are given what is the ionic radius? Ionic radius. See. So which level question? If you read out, ask.
Option second.
Okay, if you want 9th question, okay, 9th question, what they are given, which of the following contains same number of elements? Okay, same number of elements, where it is present, एक बार periodic table देख लो आ जाता है, 6th period, 3rd B group में almost equal number of elements हो जाता है. Problem number 18, you want 18. Okay, 18 and 19 दोनों देता है. 18th question देख लो. So among oxygen, carbon, fluorine, chlorine, increasing order of atomic radius. Increasing order of atomic radius. What they are given? 18th question. See. Oxygen, carbon, fluorine, chlorine, and bromine. So here, increasing order of atomic radius is, which is correct?
First.
Okay. First highest, we know that it is the very high bromine atomic number. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It is 17 plus 18, 35. So it is very high, bromine. After that, we know that chlorine, 17. No problem there. Here, fluorine, oxygen, carbon. Carbon atomic number 6. So oxygen atomic number 8. Carbon 6. Oxygen 8. Fluorine 9. Here confusion. Okay, write down electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. K shell, L shell, K shell, L shell, K shell, L shell. Distance not increases, same distance. But here chlorine, bromine, distance increase. So here out of that, see, here oxygen, carbon, fluorine. If you are observed, so it is a K shell, it is a L shell. Distance not increases both cases. So distance same, K, L only. So, but here nucleus, protons are different. Protons means here only 6 protons nucleus, 8 protons nucleus, 9 protons nucleus. So electrons, whatever that these are present in this area only, K and L. Protons, I have given one thing. What I have given one thing, more protons, less size. Less protons, more size. Protons means nuclear charge. Nuclear charge more means protons more. Protons more means it will strongly attract the electrons towards itself. That's why the atomic radius or ionic radius decrease. Less protons, size more, radius more. More protons, radius less. Say that out of these three, subset least which one?
Oxygen.
Fluorine least 9 protons. Followed by oxygen.
Oxygen.
Followed by carbon.
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 It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here why? Okay, chlorine 17 protons. Why you are taken here? Why? Because but chlorine is the difference, 17 electrons. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Okay, it is a K shell, L shell, M shell. So, but with respect to chlorine, the distance increases. Why? Because so first these three elements only KL, but L twice KL M. Automatically, whatever size increases. So chlorine size 3 orbit size, but this 3 element size 2 orbit size. Okay, bromine I to M, N also getting N. That's why I have given this order. Which option correct? First option. Okay, it is clear. Next, 19th question. See.
Yes.
19th question. So the ionic size decreases order. They are given 5 ions given. K plus given, whatever that. S minus 2 is given. Sc 3 plus, scandium 3 plus given. Vanadium 5 plus. Okay, next manganese 7 plus given. They are asking the ionic size decreasing order. Okay, this order required. First highest, last least. Okay, say. How to know this? First take काम करो. These all are electrons find out. The isoelectrons this is K plus. K 19 atomic number. Removal of an electron. Remaining 18 electrons. 16 plus 2, 18 electrons. Scandium I thought 21 electrons. After removing 3 electrons, 18 electrons. Vanadium 23. After removing 5 electrons, 18 electrons. Manganese 25 electrons. After removing 7 electrons, 18 electrons. All are isoelectronic species. Electrons wise there is no difference, but protons difference is there. Protons can never change. Protons are always equal to atomic number. So what about potassium protons?
19.
19.
19 protons. Sulfur protons?
16.
16.
16 protons. Scandium protons?
21.
21.
20.
21. Vanadium protons?
23.
23.
Manganese protons?
25.
25. Now, very simple. Before I have given, based on protons, we can say radius. Less protons, more radius. More protons, less radius.
Less radius.
Say more protons, less radius. Less protons, more radius. Which is highest radius, first of all?
20.
24.
Why? Which is the highest radius out
Sulfur.
of the sulfur?
Sulfur.
Less protons. Followed by
Potassium.
Potassium.
potassium. Followed by
Cadmium.
scandium. Followed by
Vanadium.
Vanadium.
vanadium. Followed by
Manganese.
manganese. Like this. See, protons more. Protons more means atomic size less. Protons more means nuclear charge more. Nuclear charge more means these are strongly attracted the electrons towards itself. Automatically size radius decrease. Less protons, more size. More protons, less size. That is nothing but radius. So here, based on protons, we can say that which is highest radius, which is lowest radius. Right? Understood this question?
Second option.
Very good. Whatever that.
Yes.
Okay, is option correct or correct? Say if you have any doubts, next completed level 2 classwork. So coming test, Sunday test के लिए no ionization potential up to atomic radius. Starting to atomic radius तक practice करो. Introduction, long form of the periodic table, atomic radius. These three concept related problems take लो.
Okay, sir.
Now level 1 classwork में कुछ doubts. Level 1. See. Okay, one more they are given. So AIEEE question. Okay, here anyone say one simple question, level 1, question number 47. See. Level 1 classwork में question number
Lutetium.
47. Okay, see here they are given question O-2 and Si+4 silicon isoelectronic ion. If the ionic radius of O-2 is 1 angstrom, ionic radius they are given 1 angstrom. So the ionic radius of silicon. What is the ionic radius of silicon? They are given option 1, 1.4 angstroms, 0.41 angstroms, okay, 2.8 angstroms, and 1.5 angstroms.
0.41 angstroms.
Okay, how to say that?
More positive charge on silicon.
More positive charges.
Very good. So compulsory here O-2, Si plus isoelectronic, 10 electrons, 10 electrons. But here protons are 14 protons, here 8 protons. More protons means compulsory ionic radius less. Compared to 1 angstrom, it is less so. Okay, it is 1.4 more, 2.8 more, 1.5 more, 0.41. Like that. Like that, we are identified. Okay. Understood that?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
48 question. Same class work, everyone with 48 questions. See, they are given now. Which set is isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species means what we want?
Same number of electrons.
Same number of electrons. Where it is given?
Fourth option.
Fourth option. What they are given? K plus, Cl minus, Ca2 plus, and Sc plus 3. S. It is a isoelectronic. 18 electrons, 18 electrons, 18 electrons, 18 electrons. Isoelectronic. Same number of electrons. Isoelectronic. Okay. Now 54 question. Last one, 54 questions. The increasing order of atomic radius. Atomic radius, increasing order. They are given increasing order given. So the elements are given silicon, sulfur, sodium, magnesium,
aluminum.
aluminum. So say what is the order?
Sulfur, silicon, aluminum, magnesium, sodium.
Very good. How to say that?
Protons. And
Generally, see, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, okay, sulfur, all these are 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. It is also 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Next, it is also 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. It is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. See this K shell, L shell, M shell. It is a K, L, M, K, L, M, K, L, M. So here all elements electronic configuration, if you are observed, the distance between nucleus and valence electron is the same. K, L, M only. K shell 1s, 2s, 2p, here 3s, 3p. Maximum this is only. Okay, here what we can say, sodium, first least number of protons. So sodium highest radius. Least number of protons, then magnesium, then aluminum, then silicon, then sulfur. Understood that?
yes, sir.
Okay, shell wise not increase. Whatever that you can take any element electronic configuration, compulsory these electrons are present K, L, M. These shells only. K, L, M only. K, L, M. It is also KLM, it is also KLM, it is also KLM, it is also KLM, okay, other one also KLM. So distance between outermost electron, nucleus, no change. But proton change. Protons depends on atomic number. Less protons, size more. Less protons means nuclear attraction less. Nuclear capacity less. Nuclear attraction less on valence electron means size more. Nuclear attraction more means size less. Based on that, I have given that order. Okay. So all of you practice that. If you have any doubt, ask.
Okay,
so
sir.
anytime call कर सकता है, नहीं तो WhatsApp कर सकता है. Choice is yours. If you have any doubt, ask.